In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the administrator password in ERPNext. Whether you've just installed ERPNext for the first time, or you simply want to update your admin credentials for security reasons, this walkthrough will guide you through the entire process in a clear and simple way. We'll cover where to go in the interface, what each field means, and a few tips to help keep your system secure. First, log into your ERPNext account using your current administrator credentials. Once you're on the main ERPNext dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your user icon or your name there. Click on that and a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option that takes you to your user profile. This is the page that stores your personal details, your settings, and your login information. Once the profile page opens, you'll see various sections like your basic information and contact details. Here, look for the section related to security or password settings. Usually there will be a field labeled something like Change Password or Reset Password. Click on that option to open the password change form. You will now see three main fields. The first field asks for your current password. This is required so the system can confirm that you are the legitimate administrator making this change. Carefully type in your existing administrator password. Next, move to the New Password field. Enter the new password that you want to use from now on. It's a good idea to choose something strong. Use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid simple passwords, common words, or anything that could be easily guessed. Then, in the Confirm New Password field, type the same password again. This step helps make sure there are no typos or mistakes. If the two entries don't match, ERPNext will let you know so you can correct it before saving. Once all three fields are filled in correctly, click on the Save or Update button at the bottom of the form. ERPNext will process your request and, if everything checks out, your administrator password will be updated. After saving, it's a good idea to log out and then log back in using your new administrator password, just to confirm that everything is working properly. Also, store your new password in a secure place and only share it with people who absolutely need administrator access. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the administrator password in ERPNext.